here in my mom's living room, and we have this beautiful window and lots of light coming in, but the contrast is pretty intense. It's really dark in here compared to the amount of light coming in, so I need to somehow fill in the shadows. A reflector is a great way to do it. So I'm going to just grab this reflector, and I want to show you a couple of the ways that people use it improperly. So most people will put the reflector on the other side of the person and do that. Now you can see it lights up her ear and it makes a big difference. But now it's like hatchet light coming from that side, coming from this side, and then there's a dark ribbon in the middle of her face. And that's not really what I wanted. So to have a better effect, if you stand in front of her and then feather it in. So now, with and without, now the light is coming from the front and fills in the whole shadow side of her face rather than just a rim light. So that right there softens the ratio, makes it really pretty, but it's just not where people think to put the reflector. So I'm going to have Heidi come use this and put this right about here for me, and we're going to take a few images. Thank you. Yeah, that makes a big difference. I love it right there. And I am filming right here. I forgot. No, it's a great way to show the difference. All right, so now we go. So go ahead and turn it away, Heidi. Yeah, so we'll do one without and then one with. Yes. What a difference. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in just a little bit just to do a face. Oh, wow, that's really pretty. So I think what I want you to do, oh yeah, nice little serious shot. I'm going to have you turn that way and put both arms up. Oh yeah, but tilt your head towards the window. Yeah, right there. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. Not crazy about the string on the lamp. So stay right where you are. And I love this old antique lamp, but that is a total distraction in my picture, so I'm going to get rid of that. Of course I could Photoshop it, but honestly, it's easier to fix it now than to fix it in Photoshop. All right, now we're back in business. That is so much better, less distracting. All right, how about tilt your head that way and nice and serious right there, but not flaring your nose at me. I'm joking. That always makes people smile. Your chin just went back. I want you to bring your chin out like a turtle. Yeah, just like that. That looks good right there. Let's do a dramatic shot. I'm going to have you just put your chin down on your hand. So I'm going to zoom in really close just on those eyes. Wow, that's beautiful. And Heidi, come a little bit closer. There we go. That's gorgeous. Wow. And I'm going to make sure those eyes are perfectly in focus. I love the face detection autofocus, where I know for a fact the eyes are in focus. I can go to manual. So with manual and focus peaking, I can tell her eyelashes are all sparkly, so I know they're in focus. That's beautiful. And I'm going to have you just look out the window. Yeah, right there. Wow, that's so pretty. This is what it looks like when I turn the focus ring on the lens to adjust the focus to her back arm. The green sparkles show me exactly what's in focus. And as I turn it back, you can see how her eyelashes and her lips and her hair are all in perfect focus. There is no doubt what's in focus. And I can even tell how deep my depth of field is as well.